Selassie, I jump. Thank you very much for being a part of something so beautiful. Yes. Greetings! In the name of the Most High, Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile King Selassie, I the first. Talamawi, Talamawi. I love people because they're for different people, doesn't matter where they're from. We burn racism and we burn segregation. Alright? Once again, the people here still come to me. And I feel the voice again. I think the world is open up on your face. I talk to God into love. Yes, you come to me from God. And I feel the voice again. I think the world is open up on your face. I talk to God into love. Well, how you doing? That's how I ever see you. Hope you never leave me like I would be like a sister. Nothing for me to have to work on, I'm telling you. Oh, I pray for the best, cause I believe in you. Now let the servant have a plan and execute it. If that's what you're happy with us, let us be here. There is going to cause everybody that will bring it out. Hey, 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 let's go. Yes, it got to be. And be the best you can. I said the world is out there, back to your face. I talk to God too loud. Rest of money, yes, it got to be. Hey, hey, and be the best you can. The world is out there, back to your face. I talk to God too loud. Education led to you, not give the family. Too much operation and it just said you give everything. I'm living in the lobby, let you be fine, so I'm in this. Nothing else you need it. Hey, well, that's what I say, yes, it got to be. What the life says, I say, I jump. Rastafari. Thank you very much. Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Ethiopia, Africa for the Africans. Those at home and us abroad. Repatriation is our next up, my select. And you know we're here to represent and do our part. Because you know, Honorable Marcus Messiah Garvey. He's our foundation, he's our root. And the secret out to the root is vulnerable to the storm. Marcus can't go climb the bar. Hey! All of us people and all of us. All the beautiful people from Jamaica, Mama, Africa, hey. They ain't gonna see us. What do you say? Sing for the people. And we continue to find that part of the run about Irusa. Blessed is the man that walks in the coast of the God and start the way to see the opportunity and powerful. I have been disheartened, red like mountains round about Irusa. Remember Marcus Garvey to know that the parties and reparation is the most of that's what we need. Never stop praying and you know what's up there for you, alright? Singers and dictators, but it's a time matters. It's like a hot like something from the matters. But we don't fool you get up to the left of us. Well, I hope no it's better than the likes of the altars. Free up in the midst of the good and the places. That's the needs of the altars. Not that we need to need some function like computers. I'll take the price of the land. They'll be over answers. And giant hands just with the pieces of the papers. No, this is a CI. No, this is Manuel. No, this Marcus Garvey. Like Mama, I'm trying to just one day to the praise be to the Most High. Conquer never travel to. What do you want to learn to last year, John? Praise is Jah, the Emperor, King. And he's a true and full. If you give thanks for life and now you get to life in your body, you hear it say, Jah, praise is the Emperor, King. True and full. Up to express. I'm gonna sing this for the rest of them. Hey, say that you need your God, and it's a rebel amongst them. He did no light on it. Say that you need your God, and it's a rebel amongst them. He did no light. Hey, Marcus Garvey, in your carry party. Here Marcus Garvey, real warrior for the powering up, but the living body. Remember now, education is the key. And that's the best ingredient for you to get out of 20 of the earth. Remember now, what I know. Marcus Garvey, people that still suffer. In a Jamaica, in a Caribbean, all over the world. You will have to rise up to the next and Marcus Garvey and can't deny it. Or else you deny yourself. And they use them to do. Babylon and God's rapper. Run it again. Never. I'm Mr. Bob Babylon, don't get vexed because this is not your first name, your middle name, neither your last name. Alright? Bob Babylon. Never. So we see Jerusalem just now. Pass, pull up. What did I say? You see after King Solomon, you have Jeroboam, you have Rehoboam. Right? Jeroboam to the north. That's a picnic, them Hebrew Israelites in Jerusalem and fight for now down there over place black people yard. We're conquered by Sargon, the second King Sargon from the Assyrian nation. So I know them black people there after Solomon still over there. So. And then over here now, over Judah, Israel, Rehoboam, Nebuchadnezzar conquered them said there. And after Nebuchadnezzar conquered them said there, King Cyrus, Persian, them conquer Nebuchadnezzar, studied. And the Roman Catholics, them conquer them Persians there. And bring them off into Babylon. So you don't just only get around here through the transatlantic slave trade. Do the thing and know what go on. Marcus Garvey duty is real serious. And where you're standing on ancestral territory. So we indigenous people, we own this island. Hebrew, Israelite, Yankee, alright? We're not going to bow to the corporation of the British. I stand here as Miguel Orlando Collins as the Regent Plenipotentiary and Treasurer for the 8th Class I, the Rastafari Royal Independent Judah Catholic Church. Our foremost duty is to take you all black people back to Africa, okay? So that is why we've been singing all these beautiful songs for you and trying to get your level to that. You know what I mean? Degree where you can start perceiving for yourself. So the Naya being the crank way up and we studied it. Naya being the drunk, 7 colors in there. Rainbows, you're seeing 7 notes in music, A, B, C, D, F, G. Alright, do re mi fa sol la ti, you have no head in the music, no rain in the music, it's A, B, C, D, F, G. Same colors of the rainbow, so A is red, orange is B, yellow is C, D is green, E is F, purple, in D, but you know what I'm going. The study go right down the line and then you can see the music around you, look at the globe, the C. Right. You know the music, play the music. When you go bring the kids to the kindergarten, the first thing I say on the wall, A, B, C. Red, gold, green. This is the conquering lion, red, gold, green. A lot of people don't know that the national color is red, gold, and green for the black people. And the national symbol is Hebrew Israelite, the conquering lion, the lion symbol. They have a lot of symbols, stars of David and all them things there. But you have the main symbol. Anywhere you see the conquering lion, who is Rastafari, he's the king of three colors, anywhere you go, and stuff like that. There's a lot of things for us to be discussing, but we're going to come back to your time. Run the rhythm. That's why if you just get grafted, took the knowledge of Marcus Garvey. And also brings some money up. And he's Imperial Majesty Crown King Sizzla first. That is why we have all the Rastafari families all over the world doing all their best to get together. Not only Rastafari family, we have to go Maroon people, we have the Poco, Pumin, everybody are trying to revive all this. Everyone is trying, EWF, Arthanax, everyone is trying to get it together. So when the youth them secure, and no time to pretend, Babylon a cause problem and it can't teach. So about problem no vex because it is not your first name, the bigger name than your last name. So when the youth them secure, and no time to pretend, Babylon a cause problem, not going to help his soul. My cosmos and my laughter, here is a book, there is a refrain from your everything, yeah. Life is from one of some of them to live, so the little ones which are very sensitive. From the black card, we tell the things that they have. For these and systems, we want to do with weeklies of all they know, it's not they know easy for your publics. Some are sidestep, some concentric. Your next Marcus, yeah, we all gonna get. So when they don't have secure, and all them prepared. Babylon and hands from, and if your heart is in your voice, and this one would not get that. More fire, take it. Why, yeah? Let's always allow this on the business scattered. Do a fight. No, I'll be there. What's good at? Some will say right through. Some are just some back of coffee. Let me tell them that I'm wrong. You don't know your friends who don't not stop. Are you feeling it? Okay. No, I'll be there all days of my life. What's good at? Well, I think I joke thing when I sell Marcus Garvey. Everyone will come fight for it. Most you can do is just sit and wait on the negative things to bring down each other. I understand that some people are trying to bring down the people who are trying their best to uplift the people. And they have more questionable characters than anybody else. You know what I'm saying? So we know why we're going to see the little people that sing and DJ, whether they rap and play music, as long as they're not doing anything violent, allow them. Alright? Make them strive and survive because the parents send you out to school. So you must know, say, do something. Jamaican, they can't make fashion. They can't make fashion over there. Alright? What the man likes to say, a job? Put it up. Marcus Garvey works is like a human construction. He can't stop. Yeah. Marcus Garvey did things. It's going to be so popular all over the world. So we're not going to African government preparing themselves. No, I'll be there all days of my life. Work through them well and be all with my sight. Some will say, and just do what they like. Some I just affect the profit, you make them fall from night. Some friends, they're artists. Let me hear you sing and talk on your phone. Because we all enough. Everyone deserves to work. So let's say from us, Marcus Garvey from us, all enough. And the devil up for God. Confidence really hard. Well, jump out and prove it and attitude, yeah. Let the moves are never. Somebody else. Money is out there of the days. Choose in your words. That one. Yeah. But to come to move us out, choose well then. You're listening to Marcus Garvey. Okay. But stick inside that move. I'm ready one more time. Jump. Rastafari. I'm ready one more time, my selector. Thank you very much for listening. Big up Bubble. You must go Bubble to keep his Sabbath. But you're not being the drum. Now you're being the maximum respect. Big up on yourself. 12 tribes of Israel. Ethiopia World Federation. You and your name. Orthodox, Ethiopian Orthodox. All indigenous people in Jamaica. Yeah. Heart of fire, big keyboard. Heart of fire. Yeah. And the praise we talk for. What's going on with the youth among today? Violence they taking over and we got them and say, what's going on? With the youth of today, we tell them Marcus Garvey words and that they say, what's going on? With the youth of today, violence the government thing and comes them and pray, what's going on? With the youth of today. Oh, when I look to the left, I see the teacher crying. Look to my right, old people sick and dying. Babylon kill all the people, they are inclined. I never don't stop trying. We need a world without the evil. We're nobody out there killing other people. We need a world without the evil. We're nobody out there molesting our children. We need a world without no funny say. With no funny lesbian, we don't want no funny. We need a world without the evil. Without the evil. Alright, Marcus Garvey be there. One days of it. Person and queer, the only thing sight. I will share, others do as I like. Some of us are questioning with you with other thoughts. This is something, the right is like ice. Waiting to see your part. Oh yes, sir. Thank you very much. Marcus Garvey, a voice for the marginalized and the disenfranchised. A voice for the voiceless. Marcus Garvey, one of the greatest prophets ever lived, and show I and I we must share, learn, and give. Marcus Messiah Garvey is more than a hero. You know what I'm saying? And bless up Mama James to James Road Massive. What about you no violence? Nice people. Extra. What around yourself? What we say? Marcus Garvey, we're the national arena. And when we say Marcus Garvey, now we say woman daddy. And then if you don't want yourself, swallow me. I'm not sure if they listen to man. They begin this murder. But it's like, oh, let's go. Pull up. That's up. Corruption. We ain't got no time. Thank you very much. Yeah, man, say. Can't come down every day. Just be bothering about it, alright? Hey, back up every day. Look banana, put out your head in front. What goes around comes. Could you free, could you funny, but this circus. The funny man that's in the front, Marcus Garvey trouble. Talk about it, I'm going for your action. You can take it on the bus, and the thing is like a bandage of us. Be a nation, run out of road. Get Marcus Garvey in his own. But, Hosanna, that's a big ghetto youth. Put up, pass. Yeah, Rehoboam and Jeroboam, but a two of Solomon. Solomon do songs. We have a next one named Meneleke first. Right? The Ark and Covenant follow him go Ethiopia. Through the same lineage, the other union there with Queen of Sheba and Selassie. Meneleke first. Come right up now to the reach Selassie. So the people who are kill off over Ethiopia. People don't know that they're our brothers and sisters, our Hebrew Israelite brothers and sisters. Those children from Jerusalem also. The people been having this highland hopping, continental hopping, have fires of over children, all over the place, planet hopping. You cannot fulfill the Bible unless you talk about spaceships and pyramids. That's where we're going now. One time when Ninja Man they had a mash up the place like cellular phone, big so, like war generals. Right now your cellular phone is just like a fingernail, right? And just touch screen now and audio control and then something like one, right? So don't deny the knowledge of the pyramids. Because you black people, you also have been creating the pyramids also, right? And anyone who look if you know some original language. Language been there, but you see the Hebrew Israelite, the ancient Hebrew Israelites, they have the ancient Hebrew Israelite language. And His Majesty translated the Bible to Amharic, and he asked for you to go for reference in the Hebrew Israelite text. Alright? So remember now, Ethiopians and Jamaicans, your brothers and sisters by blood, His Majesty says that. Why? Because King Solomon is Jerusalem, Hebrew Israelite. And Ethiopia is Queen of Sheba. And the capital of Ethiopia was Axum, and it was the name Mashiach. That's why the capital moved to Addis Ababa by Menelik II. So it was no one, and Selassie came here because the Jamaican government, based upon the same duty of Rastafari and Marcus Messiah Garvey for repatriation, had sent a fact-finding mission in 1962 to Africa, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Ethiopia. And that is why His Majesty came here in 1966 and visited all the other islands. His Majesty been island hopping, nothing stopping His Majesty. Because His Majesty as the Emperor is the first king that ever been here to Jamaica. Alright? And he is your father, Holy Mount Zion. Our father, what in Zion? and ask the Christians, they know who the conquering lion is. The Christ when I praise Jesus Christ. It is a black man pitney like we Sizzla Kalonji were there. So he is from Jerusalem and he spoke ancient Hebrew. So if you don't know your ancient Hebrew language, you're not going to be at that level to decipher and stuff. You can't decode nothing, you can't code nothing, alright? So this is the time for you to start curating. And this is black people, so you got to have your own industry. If they start make shoes to it, where I get shoes, where I get clothes, where I get something like this, where I get them things, when I provide it for ourselves. Even if people will freeze you locked down, everywhere I locked down, Babylon tricking you all to get you out. Like how we notice they're bringing CD and I try to get out vinyl and then come to Jamaica, come buy out all the vinyls. And then later on, you know, the vinyl, sell it out and the factories purchasing the vinyls ain't no more. So vinyl becomes something of importance. So I'll use selectors now with the turntable and deal with the thing, alright? I will not play with it. Study your history and know what's going on. Run it! And we have now Marcus Garvey University, Marcus Garvey Library. Everything from Marcus Garvey, everything from Selassie, everything from black people and our people. Well, then, see, the banana put away any ground. What goes around comes forward. Could you free, could you funny money serve us? Nothing to nothing that my rest of our road. Come and never with a word, find a red phone. If you think I like the first time, I think I can run like the bus. Be an alien, come back around. Now you're thinking that you don't sound. Sing, Asnala, Asnala. Yes, I'm down in the box. We come to support Marcus Garvey. Well, I'm progressing, take it from the taboo fire. Joe! Look at the people them from Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Ethiopia, Gambia, Zimbabwe, Egypt, all over the place. Algeria, Egypt, all those places, Lesotho, South Africa. Yeah, when they say, well, show us the way that has been sanctified. Fire blaze, I not cool, no. Jesus so Christ, I thought so don't to die. The ladies and the man, the big fan, no. Well, how did the energy, Selassie, to start and go to the middle of the whole day. Strength and protection for I and I. Heal my book, God, be loud. This is life, live and protect the road. Could never be right, keeping your blood set. Then I who can fight when the heal me. Justice and equal rights of them. Bucking and road, run, go out to them. Who they are, they and sense of it, and them. Hey, we don't matter you first, and who you are. Bodies are fed on. Tell them I'm a Garvey, think of the crowd. Show us the way. Hey. Yeah. After Marcus, we have to buy the ships them through it. They mash up the ships them. Eh? Don't know how we do this and do it. Fit up a fit for that relax again. Pull up. I want to say thank you very much to our philanthropic sponsors concerning Marcus Garvey Schools Foundation. You know, was launched a few days ago. So I want to congratulate Dr. Garvey, I want to congratulate you much for continuing the works of your father. Yeah, and the thing of life far from the block. I'm a select alright and all this and this is Kevin and I didn't get it before. I'm a bird back my hand to North Africa. Hey, there's a wonder how we do this and how we get on. Future profits, but that's my last again. The heart in the trees, that's no propaganda, cause them a panda. Oh, Mr. Slick and go with it. One future profits, but that's my last again. The heart in the trees, no propaganda, Selassie, Jah. Remember the Maroon War? Yeah? Remember from when the British come in on the island 1655? A little before that, about 1655 roughly. And the war broke out. And they've established peace treaties. Alright? We're not gonna do no research. And I rap with me. Never wonder, they're growing their time. Vision profits, but as me once again. In this time, we're gonna please see a lot of diverse cultural tribal people unite, yeah? Never wonder, no matter what them can't separate black people. Alright? Well, because we're not target, our education advancing, our intelligence to the highest degree. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No abomination, we don't business how this appears to be nation. And I think so want to do, no one is greater than the Almighty. We go over them through, calling all your debts and your fools. They're hating you, hating. They just can't assume that I'm not clean or free. I remind you that someone's a fool they are. Whoa, whoa, hey, hey, Marcus Garvey, you know. Then I wonder. Marcus Garvey has inspired so many people all over the world, and so many foundations have sprung out of the words of Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey is really someone for us to treasure. And I'm saying once again, Royal Rastafari children, thanks and praise unto the Most High. And remember, never forget your roots and your culture. And you have to step up on your economy right now. So you see your culture now, you get your roots, or you get your roots, because you're following the principle. You have to go like this, dress like this, and be yourself. So you know the root. So it becomes a tradition, so you get the tradition, you know, your Rastaman. So you have to meet over a couple of years and it becomes a culture. So you have to monetize the culture. So the shoes, yeah, Rastaman used to make shoes out of car tire. So the car tire, now look at shoes reach. You understand? So we need own factories creating all these things. So you have to monetize your culture now. And when you monetize your culture, you can go up on the stock market and make enough money right there. So everything what you wear, need, drink, everything you want to use, you're going to turn it into a business. Alright? That's what they're doing to us. But the difference is that they're poisoning all these things and giving it to you as consumers. So if you don't start creating for yourself and know what you're drinking, what you're munching, whatever you're doing, it must be coming from you yourself. Alright? So remember what your parents start to. Not want to get rich. All these scammer them get rich and then now buy all the land them. And in the day I'll see if I run on the party and the girls. And 10 years from now the girls I need to live somewhere decent. Where's the money? Where's it all gone? What I deal with? Eh? Start buying land. Cause no more land now make. Alright, read it. Start buying no land, no more land now make. And here you're gonna look for other planets for 10, alright? What the man that likes to say, John? Hey, start spending the money while and stop being a fool, alright? Purchase things with high value, minerals and everything, build up all the systems. To the people, yo! Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say, no one can. Hey! Brother Siri, Marcus Garvey already told you. So go and read Marcus Garvey books. Philosophies and opinion. Read Marcus Garvey books and his modest books. Read all the conscious books and you can read up the junk knowledge, alright? Hey! Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can. Marcus Garvey told you to. Rise to the occasion, look at your education is the key. Open the door, or it is for you today. Okay? Now that together, get up and step towards your calling. Some people read and meditate as music come to you. Some people are conscious about life and don't continue. Some people are blood and something. I'm from the babies of ice cream, girls that got no candies, yo. I know girls and girls good words to some assurance, yo. Girls are going to school brand new and don't need spanking, yo. Yet we all need education because it's nothing. Marcus Garvey in school, Marcus Garvey in school, yo. Rise to the occasion, look at them. Pull up. Boss, you wanna listen? I'm very much trying with all the powers vested in me to get black people to Africa. And I found out that Jamaica, the Maroon people, Hebrew Israelite people, and them have backside here. I'm gonna notice them have to call them down and bring them out of the country. I'm going to fly by the plane, I say, the plane because of different minerals. Most things have aluminum. So Jamaica have aluminum and the government now broke on a deal to get some planes from the Boeing factory. Say, yo, you know, we Jamaicans, we got aluminum thing right here, make planes for us. You know what I mean? Our Prime Minister, Governor General, anyone from any state of the Maroon, Rasta, any sovereign people can have them own a private jet out on the tarmac. Or we don't see certain government people plane on the tarmac. War go on in our country. We ain't getting nowhere. And it doesn't matter which one of them come in, they ain't gonna treat it no other way. But the same scum they want to treat you as they have been doing. So you just know yourself, nothing say you not get nothing. We not try destroy the cockpit country. Want to read it again? I try to sell out. So you're gonna say if you don't stand up right now, you're gonna wake up and find us today. Island shift from the need to feed. Every day we get up and run down party and this. We create music, so we can't get up every day but in a club. I mean, make the music then for the sound systems operate, alright? We have to deal with administration and agitating that the bubble shant them do, that the Rastaman do. The reason why they beat up the Rastaman because the constitution for the Hebrew Israelite is much different from the constitution of Jamaica, you can't lie. Alright? So the constitution carries a banner. Every constitution carries a banner. So the banner for the Rastaman constitution is red, gold, and green. So when the Rastaman come out, red, in the Rastaman say, fire! They might beat up Rastaman because they're in feelings. They ain't got no guns walking around. But you must know that the Constitution goes on the banner. And you're praising Jesus Christ for the Latin language, but for the Hebrew language is Yahshua Mashiach. And the color for Jesus Christ are the praising. What flag Jesus carry? What is Jesus' flag? If you have a genealogy and come from a nation. This Jesus who everybody praise don't know is Mashiach from the black ancient Hebrew. His national banner is red, gold, and green. That is why it's everywhere, alright? And right, so we don't have to say nothing much, we go do the maths, alright? Next rhythm. So do the maths, I know what I want to do the rest of them. Ooh, yes, sir! Hey, that's the father! I love this song very much. Younger, but I'm going to sing for you right now, okay? Clean. Well, yeah, I have no one, don't teach me anything wrong. When I send you back, what? I have no, I need just a black Messiah. So let's get rich on the way. Marcus Messiah, I have no, don't teach me anything wrong. No, Here we go. When I want what's right, pull up. Run it again. Come on, big up yourself. Come burn on fire. Where are you? No future they can't see. Hey, whoa. Sing something. Government from the mountains. Big up yourself. Next one. Alright. King Selassie. Let me show you something. Next one. My selector. Welcome back again. Big up on reggae music lovers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's it. Take it. Yo, I'm going to told you, jungle bless us and make us strong. That's a welcome. Put up, hand put up. Folks, again. Just one year we go one place, so them say you must deposit music. Me a deposit music, come here, deposit check on them something. But the library is a perfect repository for all those stuff. So students and visitors and strangers can punch in any one of the reggae artists them name and know what going on in their life and understand what's going on and know the struggle. Peter Touch, yeah. Just first like with our Peter Touch Fest, pull up. Cause you have the Touch Fest in it, so we're supposed to have the Rita Fest, Uwa Fest, Julie Mowat Fest, Marsha Griffiths Fest, Sizzla Fest, Jacob Bella. So all these lineage of these great kings who have been stalwart in our music. So it's stewardship, we need you to rise and start keeping all these things. Once again, I want to commend Dr. Garvey, Major, much respect and all the staff from the UNIA and the Marcus Garvey in Schools Foundation. Thank you very much to people. It should be for your notification that they're getting the Marcus Garvey in Schools start implying the tertiary system to put Marcus Garvey in school and put Prince Emmanuel School and King Selassie in school and put all ourselves in school. Alright? Well, Emmanuel and Selassie are Jah. Rastafari. Peace, love and gracious blessings. Thank you very much for listening. Give me an extra. I'm going to take up my time. Yeah. things that Marcus Garvey and tell about. More than planes. Some of we don't live nowhere. We need lands. People be taking our lands because of forces. Where do you go? Where do you go? Where do you go? If you come away, even though, hey, what sort of things they be telling you? Hey, I got to stop them from compelling you. They just won't stop me from getting you. Give me a try. You don't apologize.